Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert row and column in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel document or file. Now you can see here are my file. Now I can insert row and column. Now right click on this 5 row and click insert. Now you can see I insert a row. You can also insert a column. Right click on the row and click insert. Now you can see I insert a column also. You can see I insert row and column in Microsoft Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.